EMAR 145 course overview. This two-day professional development training program is designed to equip participants with a fundamental knowledge of the organisational requirements of the EMAR 145 regulatory framework. It includes illustrative examples and activities to facilitate practical understanding and competence development. It is aimed at accountable managers and nominated post holders who are new to this regulatory framework or have never received formal training on the subject matter. The course is structured into 3 modules. The first module, Airworthiness and EDA MARWA Forum, explores the concept and principles of airworthiness, as well as the purpose of the EDA and the role of the MARWA Forum. The second module, Organisation Requirements, outlines and expounds on the EMAR 145 organisation requirements, as well as key considerations, tools and techniques to translate these into appropriate systems and processes. And finally, the third module, Organisation Approval Process, unpacks the EMAR 145 organisation approval process step by step, including practical tips and guidelines to facilitate a successful application. The course is available to complete online as an e-learning program with instructor support. Consequently, it is ideal for clients looking for self-paced and flexible training solutions, which can be accessed from anywhere and at any time. Alternatively, it is also available for virtual or in-company classroom delivery upon request. This is ideal for corporate clients looking for instructor-led training solutions to cater for the professional development needs of their organisation. Please refer to the video description below for further information about the course, including a free PDF program descriptor. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to supporting your training requirements.